guys, Bilal Ansari here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded my last video, so here it is. As you guys are aware of these lockdowns and almost everything is closed, including gyms, so there's an obvious question that pops up in our mind as we being fitness freaks, that will I lose my gains and how do you prevent muscle loss? And that's what we're going to talk about today. Here we go. Muscle loss happens when there's no activity done by your muscles for a particular period of time, and it doesn't happen all of a sudden. It takes time to start this process of muscle loss. Usually muscular size kind of shrinks. It happens because of no activity in muscle for at least 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks, and it is mostly water weight and glycogen that is depleted from your body and not the actual muscle size. So in this case you can recover within weeks, so this isn't a major problem. But don't go more than 3 weeks without any exercise. That might lead to some serious muscle loss, and that is just the beginning. That's where it all starts. Alright, so now you know how long it takes to lose the muscle. So now let's talk about what should you exactly do further. For training style, you can do bodyweight workouts, home workout, and you can use any equipments like dumbbells if you have any in your home, or you can just use the furniture of your home. So since we have limited equipments and limited weights, we cannot really give our 100% best to feed our muscle. So that's where you want to understand that you don't want to build. This is not a building phase. This is just a phase for you to survive. This is just a phase for you to maintain your muscles. So that's what we're going to target in all our home workouts. Alright, so you can slightly lower your frequency and volume of your workout. Frequency is how frequently you're doing your workouts. For example, if you were doing 5 to 6 days a week, now you can reduce it to 2 to 4 days a week. And volume, you can keep it less. So volume here is number of reps and sets. You can lower that too and concentrate mostly on compound movements. So as long as there's tension being put on your muscles, it causes muscle damage, and muscle damage causes muscle growth. And it doesn't really matter where the tension is coming from. Now let's talk about diet. There isn't much you can change in your diet. You just have to keep in mind that you need to have enough protein. Keep your protein intake high, and you may consume slightly more calories than usual in order to prevent muscle loss and to maintain those muscles. So guys, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll be making a lot of home workout exercise videos. Since you guys know I've been training calisthenics and doing home workout, researching a lot about it since the beginning. So I have a little bit of experience, so I know what exactly to do and what exactly not to do, which exercise is effective and which is not, and how can you target a particular muscle, and how can you make certain exercises easy and certain exercises hard. So all these little things can be helpful and can make much big difference in the future. So guys, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.